Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add um, rows in Google Sheets. So you can add one or more even thousand rows in Google Sheets easily. And I think this video is especially for those of you who are using the Google Sheets for the first time. Alright, as we know, in Google Sheet, in one sheet consists 1000 rows. So at the bottom you can see, sorry, so there are 1000 in one sheet, and you can add more. Just um, fill the number of the rows. For instance, I have I want to add 100 rows. Just click add, and you can see the rows has been added. But if you want to add then below or on about the rows has been filled with data, you can just click on the rows and just right click so you can see for the option insert one row above or one row below. You can see if you want to add two rows, just select two rows and right click and insert two row below or above. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.